Okay, so this time, punta naman tayo sa assignments. So, I'll go to the assignments. Okay, so let's say gagawa kayo ng assignment group weights. So, by default, ginawa kayo ni Sir Mike ng ganito. Meron na kayong 60-40 assignments. Ibig sabihin nun, lagi total dapat 100 niyan, ha? 100. Okay? So, for example, paano ginagawa yung group na yan, sir? What if I have a different division or division or distribution of assessments in mind? So, ganito yon. So, sa assignments, for example, dinilit nyo yung mga assignment group weights na ginawa para sa inyo, you can create your own group. For example, here, ito yung click nyo yung plus. So, let's say ito, this is going to be my weekly. Ulitin lang muna natin yon. Weekly plates. Say ganon. Meron akong pa-weekly plates. And yan ay okay na. Tapos nun, ang percentage niyan ay, let's say, 40%. Sorry, 60%. Ganoon. Sasave ko siya. So, meron ka na nun. Weekly plates. And then, I can delete this na, no? Ayan. Kasi yan yung default eh. Okay. Next, ang susunod na group, I can click the plus group. And let's say, maglalagay ako dito. Dito naman yung exam plates. Which is assigned 40%. Para mag-total siyang 100. Okay? So, ganoon yon. Now, let's say nagbago ang isip mo. Gusto ko, bukod sa weekly plates, meron silang on the spot or class plates. Yung ipapasa nila during class. So, what I can do is, I can edit this first. Babawasan ko muna to. Let's say, I'll edit this and I'll reduce this to, let's say, 30% na lang. That's it. I'll just save it. So, makikita mo, 70 na lang yan. So, ngayon, tsaka ako ngayon ilalagay yung, let's say, lagay ko dito, class plates or lab plates nila. That means on the spot. Since 30 and 40, kulang pa ng 70, so lagay ko na ito 30% ulit, save. So, it should always total. I can drag this para maka-arrange sila. Yan, limbawa. Basta lagi ang total ng assignments ninyo ay dapat 100%. Okay? Yan, dapat 100%. Kasi magre-reflect na kaagad yan dito sa inyong grades, sa grades chart ninyo. Ayun o. Class plates mo, 30%. Weekly plates mo, ayan. Okay, so magre-reflect ka agad dun yun. The next thing is, sorry. Punta ako sa assignments. So, the next thing is, maglalagay ngayon tayo ng laman. So, this is the division of grades or graded assessments or assignments. Then, yung laman nila. So, let's say, sa weekly plates tayo, or let's say, sige, sa classroom plates tayo, I will just go here. I will just go to the plus sign and doon na ako pwedeng maglagay ng assignment kaagad. Let's say, assignment type. That's it. And then, ang gagawin ko dito, name ng assignment, let's say, class plate or CP01 underscore, let's say, creation. Creating objects. Bawa ganon. So, available date, you just change the date and then your time. And then, let's say, lagay mo kaagad dyan, 100 points yung total mo. And then, save. Now, syempre, that is just the topic or the title. Kiklik ko ngayon to. And then, I will go here, i-edit ko siya. Yan. I am editing this para malagyan ko siya ng instructions. Again, if you are planning to do recordings for the instruction or you have created slides for the instruction, no, you can just do how you are doing earlier doon sa modules. You can embed it via Google Drive or you can choose YouTube or a video embedding code dito. Pwede siya. Okay? Ganun ulit. Let's say, itong assignment na to, I'll copy my embed code sa YouTube. And then I'll go back here and paste it. And again, I'll just change the resolution to 720 by 720 para square siya. Hindi siya nag-auto-rotate sa phone. So, it will appear there how the instruction is kunyari recorded. And then I'll just dito tayo. Yan. Sorry. Dito pala sa mga details. So, 100 points siya. And then, class plate siya. Okay? And then, by points, makikita nila. And eto ngayon yung submission type. I want it to be submitted online. And then, let's say, file upload. Tanggalin ko na tong text entry. Okay? Ito yung mga kung essay. Diba? File upload. So, I can be specific. Kunyari, Max file, Maya file, Blender file. Ilagay ko dyan. Pero, I usually use folders. So, file upload lang pwede na. Naka-zip na folder yung sinasubmit nila, for example. Allowed attempts, ilang beses sila pwedeng mag-attempt ng pagsasubmit. You can just set there unlimited kung gusto mo silang bigyan ng chance. Pwede mong i-limit to 1 para wala talagang wrong submissions. This is up to you. And then, bababa natin to. Plagiarism review for copyrights, copy leaks sa mga nag-essay or sa mga written usually. Pero tayo dito sa deadline muna. Sa deadline or dito sa assign to, I can click this kasi I have several sections so I can assign it to several sections or particulars. Okay? Or I can assign it to everyone in the class. Okay. Or let's say, assign ko muna siya sa, Anitrack Central. That's the section. Due date. So, yung due date mo, you can set it here. Let's say, ang due date ko ay next week, Saturday. And it is going to be available now. Ang ibig sabihin naman ng until is this. Let's say, ang due date nito ay immediate deadline niya ay sa next week. Available na siya now. At magbibigay na kaagad ako ng extension hanggang 17. So that means pagdating ng 17, hindi na siya makikita. Magsasara na ang submissions bin. That's how it is. Okay? Yun yung difference ng until. Okay? Immediate deadline, availability, and then ito, closing date na. Let's say that's the final deadline. I'll save it. Ayan na siya. So, pag bumalik ako ngayon sa assignments, makikita ko meron na akong isang content here. Di ba? So, meron na. Then, I can just for the sake of demonstration, let's say, duplicate ko to. Lalagay ko naman dito sa ilalim. Palitan ko lang kunyari, edit. Using tools naman, weekly plate. Diba? Let's say, okay na yan. Let's save that. So, we have all the same deadlines. Wala naman siya. So, that means you have to reset this. Halimbawa. So, let's say, we'll use it on the same deadline. Edit ulit. Let's edit this. Assign to Anitrack Central, so all of them, all of the section. Let's do the same. Next week, available now, and until. Save. So, lalabas uli doon. Assignments. Oops, sorry. Let me just check again. Na-edit ko ba yung type of submission? It's going to be online, file upload. Okay. Hindi ko nagalaw yan. That's good. So that's it. So let's just duplicate this once more. Yeah, I have a point kung bakit ko inuulit ito. And I'll explain it to you later. So I'll just duplicate this, drag it down. So this is going to be computed under the 40%. This is going to be computed under this percentage. And this is going to be computed under this percentage. Kumbaga, nag-iwa-hiwalay natin sila. Pagkatapos nun, let me just edit this. So let's say ito yung iyong midterm MT or midterm exam. Midterm exam. Let's say that. Save that. Let's just edit it a bit. So pag-edit, I'll just change the date ng konti. So let's say it's going to be end of the month, 31. Since ito ay midterm exam, it should be available. O bigyan natin ng 1 week extension. And then that's it. Save. Oops, go back. This is assigned to everyone. Then save it. Yan. Okay, so now you have your 3 assignments ready. Pag tinignan mo ngayon sa iyong grades, ayan na siya. Ayan yung 3 mong assignments. So you have those 3 assignments. Minimension niya yan. And minimension niya rin kung nakapublish or hindi. So that means hindi pa nila nakikita yan. Okay? So that is it. Ngayon, let's say, ipapublish ko siya para makita natin yung difference. So let's go back. Assignments. So I'll just check publish. So once I publish the assignments, I'll just go and check the grades and mag-a-appear siya dito. Diba? And it is going to be there. Okay? So there will be a part 2 for this. And I'll see you on that part later.